Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube videos all private or unlisted all at once. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go into YouTube Studio. Once you're on here, you want to click on Content. So this will bring up the list of all your videos. So in order to change this from public, you can either do it individually, obviously clicking through each one. But if you click on the video option at the top left, this will highlight all the videos. Then you just simply select Edit, and then go down to Visibility. Once you're on here, you'll have three options. Obviously leave it on public, you can change it to private, or select Unlisted. And once you're happy with that, just select Update Videos, then just tick I understand, and again click on Update Videos. This will just take a little while to update. As you can see, it's updated all the videos to Unlisted. Thanks for watching.